Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the model editable, load the trained weights and the config that defines control inputs. Once done, inspect the input action mapping and data pipeline so you know where controls travel. Make small checkpoints, export a 1 MB subset or a lightweight policy for fast iteration. Prepare a validation scenario and seed randomness for repeatable tests. Finally, lock versions of key libraries to avoid drift while you change control parameters. You now edit control logic inside the model. Open the policy head or action transform and adjust scaling, clipping, or reward shaping. While you edit, keep experiments atomic, change a single coefficient or threshold, and annotate commits. Once adjusted, run a short simulation batch, 10 to 50 episodes, to validate behavior shifts. Make sure to record telemetry, reward, safety violations, latency. If performance regresses, revert the single change and try a smaller step size. You finish by merging validated changes into the main branch and running comprehensive tests across seeds and edge cases. Verify metrics improved or stayed within tolerance. Once stable, freeze configs, tag the model release, and deploy to a staging environment for integration checks. If things go wrong, say controls oscillate or safety limits breach, roll back to the previous tag, replay logs to identify the offending parameter, and reapply a smaller incremental.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.